Hi there, my name is Ken. I'm a renewable energy student, passionate about science, technology, and all engineering-related topics. In this channel, I break down all the complicated concepts that might be confusing in order to help you understand how they impact and shape today's world. So if you feel interested, consider subscribing so you don't miss any video. In the last video, we've covered the powerful topic of the derivative, and we're able to find out together what is the general formula that helps us finding the derivative of any kind of function. These expressions here on the board are definitively not strange to you. They help us finding the derivative of each type of function. The first is the power function, when x is to the power of something. The second describes the product between two functions. The third is the so-called chain expression, when v, a function, is the argument of another function. The last is the trigonometrical function, the sine function. Let's start. The formula for the derivative was f prime x is the limit when x comes to x0 of fx minus fx0 over x minus x0. F of gx, and we want to find the derivative. And this is the limit when x comes to x0 of this function f of gx minus f of gx0 divided by x minus x0. The limit when x comes to x0 of f gx minus f gx0 divided by x minus x0. Let us try to multiply this function by 1, but let us do it wisely. We will choose to multiply the function by gx minus gx0 divided by gx minus gx0. That's exactly the same thing, and the quotient is 1. That means we've changed nothing. We can then bring this here as the denominator of this, and this here as the denominator of that other form. That will mean the limit when x comes to x0 of f of gx minus f of gx0 over, we bring this here as the denominator here, gx minus gx0 time, this here remains the same, gx minus gx0 over x minus x0. By having a precise look on this expression, we can recognize a very important pattern. This is the expression or the definition of the derivative. If we consider gx as a number here on both sides, I will then have f of gx minus f of gx0 divided by the difference between gx and gx0. That is exactly equal to the derivative, this here, so will be then equal to the derivative of f, but as argument I have gx multiplied by the derivative of g. Then I have the final expression f of gx prime. So that is my formula of the derivative of a chain expression. The next case will be the sine function. I am sure, or at least I hope, that you will be in the future more confident while using this formula, because at least you will then know where they come from. And I'm pretty happy that I could help you achieving that goal. So if you like the content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, to like, to share, and also to let me know in the comment section which topic you would like me to uncover on the next videos. So see us next time.